Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 9 of programming in HTML5 basic HTML lists. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the finder, navigate to documents. We have a folder called HTML5. Double click this, right click index.html, open up with text edit, close out to finder, increase the size of the text edit file, Command plus a couple of times, copy the previous tutorial's code, which is the button, Command X, open up the Word document, insert the code there. For later use, Command V, Command S to save. We can quit Word, and now the code that we require for basic HTML lists is less than UL, which equals unordered bullet list. And now within this, we can insert after next line indentation, less than li, close that off. Li is the list item. Within this, we can insert computer and then close this off, less than /li, close that off. On the next line, we can insert the same code, copy, Command C, next line, paste. Don't forget the indentation. Next line again, indentation, Command V, change computer to science, change computer to videos. So now we have a basic HTML list on screen. This was the unordered bullet list. And now we can have an ordered or number list followed by the unordered bullet list. So we can close this, less than /UL, close this off, and now we can copy the code, highlight, Command C, next line, Command V, and change the UL to OL, change the UL to OL again, and the rest stays the same. Now if we save, go all the way to Finder, Documents, HTML5, double click, right click the index.html and open with Safari. And now we have a bullet pointed list as well as a numbered list. Close out of Safari, quit Finder, quit text edit. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.